Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change the default search engine in Chrome browser on mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on search engine. Then right here by default, then right here we have google.com. Now you can switch from Google to Yahoo. Then what we need to do is to simply click on here to switch to Yahoo search. And by the time you go back and then go back again, and by the time you come to the top right here to create a new tab, it will automatically change back to Yahoo search. So by the time we click on search type right here, and then here we go, we have Yahoo search right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply switch your search engine default in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.